Good morning team and welcome back to Deer Valley. My name's Andy. This week has been crazy. We have so much to show you this week. First of all, we had the geodet here. He's the guy who measures the lawn boundaries. So we've been able to start work on the new fence. We have one big 12-foot post here and we have a big 9-foot post on the other side. Those guys have gone down towards the bedrock and into some concrete. So they will go hard over the next couple of weeks. And then we'll really be able to start putting the fencing in. I've had my heart broken by the ducks. They do not like my new duck house. Basically, they don't like the ramp. It's too steep for them. I've tried everything to train them to go up and down the ramp. And at the moment, I'm just having to catch them each night and put them in the duck house. Once they're in there, they love it, but they just can't work out how to get in there on their own. I need to move the duck house, move the ramp, build a bigger ramp. I'm not sure yet, but I need to do something. But what these two poor guys are doing, maybe you can see them. They are just walking up and down the fence next to where they used to live, trying to go back to their old home. It's like an animal in a zoo. They're just wearing out a little path of dirt up and down and quacking to get home to their friends. We've tried pretty much everything. We brought some chickens down to be friends with them. We brought the guineas down, and they just want to go back to where they were. So we'll see. Quackers! Quack, quack. Can you see them? They just stand by the fence quacking and looking at their old home. I thought they'd be excited by all the nice grass and bugs, and they've got a big compost pile to go through. They just want to go home. What else have we been up to this week? think I should go outside and let everything out. The chickens and guineas are all happy. The guineas have been doing a little bit of mating activity. The male will stick his wings out and run towards the females. So we'll see if we end up with some guinea eggs sometime soon. Fingers crossed. What's up, Psycho? You think I have some food, don't you? Huh? Stiga has been for a visit with John this week, so hopefully in about a month's time we will have some little baby Stigas running around. We're not 100% sure if it was successful or not. I won't tell you any of the story, but yeah, we're not sure. Maybe. What are you ladies up to? Huh? What about you, John? What about you? Huh? Oh, don't get jealous. Huh? What about you, Stiga? Oh, you keen to say hello, huh? Huh? You keen? Okay, well, I was having a nice lunch, and then the guys from the town came. They're the guys who are going to remove this massive pile of rubbish. So I've had to come out, I've removed the gates. Oh, well, the guys have just left. I helped them as much as I could, but you know, when professional guys are working, sometimes it's better just to keep out the way and let them do what they do. And in this case, they have absolutely smashed it. I would say they got rid of 99.9% of all the hardcore and brick and rubbish that was left. There's a few bits of plastic left. They're going to come in a couple of weeks for that, along with some other rubbish. So, one of the really big jobs that we just knew we wouldn't be able to do ourselves done. Awesome news. Bit of cleaning up to do. We may indeed rename ourselves Deer Valley Swamp. But what else can you do?